Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do some more fun with charcoal. We've done something before with charcoal, but this is something we just did in camp this week, as a matter of fact. So we drew shapes with charcoal, although some kids did whatever they want to because, you know, they're the artists. And then we had these are cardboard or cardstock frames, but you could use a piece of cardboard or paper or whatever you want. So we had a contrast with the black and white of the charcoal and then a colorful frame. So we'll get started on that. So I gotta find my tissue. Here it is. Okay, so we're using medium-bodied charcoal for this one. And for some of the kids, they'd never used charcoal before. And I know you've seen our video before of using charcoal, but we did something really simple with this one. We just used shapes. So I drew a circle and colored it in. And with this charcoal, because it's a rectangular piece, almost like a oil pastel shape, you could use the corner, like I can do the corner here and make my triangle shape. And then color it in maybe this way. We're going to blend it in a sec. And then I'll do my rectangle, or square, actually it looks more squarish. And I'll color that back in too, because this time I want a lot of charcoal in here before I smear, and I'll tell you why. So again, even though I have it on my hands already, I'm going to use a tissue, and I'm going to blend it here, and then we're going to imagine that a light is shining from, I'm going to go with you. A light is shining from this angle, which would cast a shadow over here. We'll do the same with the triangle. And then I'm going to cast a shadow. Do the same up here with the square. And I'm going to cast a shadow. I'm going to blend those edge marks also. Now the fun part with this too is that because I really want it to be a black and white piece of art with the colorful frame, I have this all over my tissue, and now I'm just going to lightly rub around to give it some more dimension. And then now it looks like this. You can still see the shadows even though I added in all of that other charcoal around. And now here's for our colorful part. Throw my tissue away. You could use anything you want. What we used to do this are some tempera paint sticks, which you can get kind of anywhere. I think we got these at Michael's. And they're really fun because it's painting, but you don't actually have to take a brush out. You do have to let it dry. But watch this. I can color on it just like a crayon. And it's very fun. And then I'll just screw it back down. If I want a little bit more, this one actually looks like it was left out a little bit. But I can blend them also, so I can blend the colors. And then I can just keep going with this. It's so fun to use. I'm going to try and put them away every single time. I'm going to even add some up there. I'm going to keep going all the way around. And then I'm going to screw this down so it doesn't get broken. Put this away. When I'm all done doing my whole frame, I'm going to tape it to the back, or tape the charcoal drawing on the back side of my frame. So when I hang it up, you can see all the bright color and then the contrast of the black and white with the charcoal. I hope you make one of these. If you do, would you please send us a photo on Instagram and just put @Alameda Arts Fun so that we can see it. And if you like our video, you could subscribe below so that every time we put out a new video, you will get an email or a message somehow. I don't even know how that works. Letting you know that we have a new one. Okay, thanks guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.